Hello everyone, Chris with CB Model Works. Today we're just going to be doing a quick unboxing of the 112 Boba Fett by Bandai. So let's see what's in the box. Usual tips that everybody ignores. While I get these sprues sorted out, take a second and hit that like button for me. It helps me out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future build videos. We got our instructions, part color, part black and white, but very clear as usual. Typical well-detailed Bandai instructions. We got our sticker locator on the back there. So our first pieces, looks like we've got his belt and holster. Shoulder and knee pads. Look like the same ones from the older Boba Fett kit. Next up, the base you get with all the figures. Looks like we got part of his helmet, the jetpack, armor for the arms, and this looks the same as the Mandalorian kit, which we'll check later. Brought that out with me as well so we can compare. Looks like we got some leg pieces, some more armor for his arms. So they give you the option to do with helmet or without. Definitely need to try and paint that head on there. That'll be a first for me trying to do a face. So we'll see how that comes out. And our poly caps here, pretty basic. Another armor piece. Looks like some more armor, upper body. This is definitely from the older Boba Fett kit. And then belts and pieces of the helmet. And looks like this one only comes with a sticker sheet. No water slides. It's a little disappointing. I definitely prefer the water slides. And it looks like we've got some cape slash skirt, whatever you want to call it. Looks like there's 4 pieces in there. And then we've got some arms, legs, and hands here. And this definitely looks exactly like the older Boba Fett kit, just molded in black instead of gray. And our last sprue, so upper body, it looks like neck, no, that's shoulders. Those hands look like Mandalorian hands. Alright, so I'm going to grab the Mandalorian kit and then we're going to compare some of this. I'm curious how much of it is the same kit or not. Alright, so these are definitely the same sprue in different colors. Maybe we'll have enough parts left over to make an extra helmet or two. These are the legs and hands, and they are identical except for color. I'm curious if there's going to be enough parts left over to make a whole nother Mandalorian. So thanks for watching this unboxing. Please like and subscribe, and feel free to comment, and we'll see you guys in the next video.